An all-electric specialty sports concept is confirmed for debut at the 2023 Japan Mobility Show. Honda has announced that it will reveal a range of electric concepts at the Japan Mobility Show 2023, formerly known as the Tokyo Motor Show. But the most exciting has to be the specialty sports concept, an all-electric sports car that will herald the brand's return to the sports car fray. The automaker says the concept will provide motorists with driving pleasure and transcend the constraints of time. We're not quite sure what that means, but it could suggest that Honda will take inspiration from old sports cars, like the S2000, where the driving experience was uncompromised and devoid of unnecessary driver aids. Aside from that, the Japanese brand says this electric sports car's distinctive individuality will allow customers to transcend their everyday life. This implies the specialty sports concept won't just be another generic and soulless EV but rather an exciting one. No images have been shared as yet, with the images below being of other concepts from the brand. We believe the specialty sport concept will morph into a S2000 successor when it reaches the production-ready stage. Honda is celebrating its 75th anniversary in 2023, and there's no better way to celebrate this milestone than by launching a sports car. Earlier this year, Honda Europe's senior vice president hinted at an S2000 replacement in May. Watch this space. 2023 is 75 years, we had the S2000 at 50. Who knows, said Tom Gardner. He added that future Hondas will be described as sporty and advanced and said the company still believes in performance cars. We love a sports car, said Gardner. We love performance, and we're very grateful for the strong reaction we've had to the latest Civic Type R. A month later, Honda technical consultant Kotaro Yamamoto shared that the upcoming sports car may wear the Type R badge. Type R stands for racing. It's pleasure transported. An electric car can deliver this, and a Type R is not obliged to use a combustion engine. Even in a fully electric society, there will still be Type Rs delivering ultimate driving pleasure, said Yamamoto. If the rumors are to be believed, the S2000 replacement will be revealed this year and arrive in 2024. We sincerely hope that Honda will be able to capture the essence of the original and repurpose it for the electric era. Weight could pose a problem, but several automakers have shown us that EVs don't have to be heavy. Alpine's e-ternite concept weighs just 3,038 pounds, which is lighter than many modern ICE-powered sports cars. Honda's managing officer Shinji Aoyama said future electric Type R models will use solid-state batteries due to their lightweight construction. However, this technology is still some time away.